Hello viewers, I hope you all are doing well. At least 100 people were killed and 4,000 wounded in a massive explosion that shocked Beirut on Tuesday, state-run media reported, citing the Red Cross. Hundreds have been reported missing, raising fears that the death toll will rise, Lebanon's health minister said Wednesday. It's still unclear what exactly caused the explosion. Lebanon's Prime Minister said an investigation would focus on an estimated 2,750 metric tons of the explosion ammonium nitrate stored at a warehouse. So, what is ammonium nitrate? Also known as AN. It's a compound of ammonia, and nitrogen. Is a highly volatile material used in agriculture, fertilizers, and bombs. Disasters involved AN are rare, considering the US uses millions of tons of it every year in fertilizers. According to the Environment Protection Agency, pure solid AN is quite stable, but if the compound is mixed with any contaminants, even in small traces, the mixture becomes much more prone to detonation, which is why there are stringent government guidelines for how to treat and store it properly. Videos show smoke billowing from a fire, then a mushroom cloud following the blast at the city's port. Officials are blaming highly explosive materials stored in a warehouse for 6 years. President Michael Owen tweeted it was unacceptable that 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate was stored unsafely. An investigation is underway to find the exact trigger for the explosion. Lebanon's Supreme Defense Council said those responsible would face the maximum punishment possible. Hospitals are said to be overwhelmed and many buildings have been destroyed. President Owen declared a 3-day mourning period and said the government would release 100 billion lira of emergency funds. A BBC journalist at the scene reported dead bodies and severe damage enough to put the port of Beirut out of action. Prime Minister Hassan Diab called it a catastrophe and said those responsible must be held to account. He spoke of a dangerous warehouse which had been there since 2014 but said he would not preempt the investigation. Local media showed people trapped beneath rubble. A witness described the first explosion as deafening, and video footage showed wrecked cars and blast-damaged buildings. All the buildings around here have collapsed. I am walking through glass and debris everywhere. In the dark, one witness near the port told AFP News Emergency. The blast was heard 240 km 150 miles away on the island of Cyprus in the eastern Mediterranean. The explosion comes at a sensitive time for Lebanon with an economic crisis reigniting all divisions. Tensions are also high ahead of Friday's verdict in a trial over the killing of ex-Prime Minister Rafiq Hariri in 2015. Lebanon declares 2-week state of emergency in capital. Lebanese government effectively gives military full powers in the capital after half the city damaged in the blast that killed at least 100 and wounded 4,000. If you like my video, then subscribe this channel for next amazing videos.